Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a graph in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Right, so as you can see we have this nice pie graph here, and you can do that really easily, but you can do any other graph format you want. So all you have to do is first select the cells you want to show on a graph or on a chart. So let's say we want to make a pie chart and we want to show the share of a specific project in our, as you can see, this is a project management sheet. So show the specific share of the project in the total budget, which we can do with a pie graph. So all we have to do is select the cells we want to show, then click on data, then click on insert, and you're going to see chart here, which is basically graph. So click on chart and it will automatically add a pie chart. If you want to add another chart, of course you can move the chart around and you can change the chart type here. So you can make it a bar chart, a line graph, area graph, and a lot more. As you can see here, we have some other tutorials on all of these chart types or graph types if you want to check that out. Let's select pie chart here. As you can see, you can change the data range later if you have more data. You can add labels, you can change some other things. You can also change the chart style, the pie chart formatting, and a lot more. So you have a lot of customization option here, and that's about it. So all in all, this is how you can make a graph in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets shortcut keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up. So also make sure to subscribe.